There's a seductive myth out there of autonomous AI agents performing all the tasks necessary for association right now, right here, as reported in a McKinsey report recently. So, is this true? Is this real? Well, as you might have guessed, it's not true. It's not real. Right now, AI agents are not there yet. Association leaders are drawn to promises of AI, like, for example, automating member outreach through the AI, looking at recent member engagement, being able to evaluate what's going on with the member, being able to draft automatic engagement emails to each member, send them, customize them, personalize them to each member, and then get that member to renew, to attend a conference, to sign up for workshops, and so on. It's not there yet. It's really not. McKinsey and tech vendors promise autonomous AI agents visions. That's really appealing among tight budgets. But chasing for this sort of full-scale automation causes a lot of problems. For example, generative AI systems with these agents. So all of these agents are powered by generative AI systems, which instead of the single task-based generative AI systems, which you're probably used to, what they do is they enable an agent to figure out a goal and pursue it autonomously. The problem is sometimes they mess up the goal when they have a number of tasks for agents, and really problematically for associations, they don't integrate very well into CRMs or association management systems, into LMS if you do use that for your education. There's challenges with integrating it into the legacy backend. And of course, mistakes in outreach and content can erode trust. They can damage image, and they can prevent members from renewing and signing up for conferences and attending courses. So that's really bad. People right now, AI is not good enough that the large majority of people can tell, like, okay, something's off. Maybe they can't tell, oh, it's an AI agent, but they can tell something's off. It doesn't feel appropriate. So these missteps are really dangerous for associations. Promised gains, therefore, from AI, the efficiency of it, collapse under technical and data complexity. Failed AI projects are a serious issue. I've helped a lot of associations figure out how to adopt AI effectively, and I can tell you that when they've seen vendors and they've dealt with hype, they really feel disillusioned. Failed AI projects is what can foster a lot of internal doubt and cynicism. Unrealistic goals distract from proven lower risk implementations. Skepticism is something that really grows when expectations exceed practical delivery capacity. Associations lose a lot of momentum and miss out on real benefits from AI. Success lies in using AI to augment, not replace human efforts. That's the key. So I'll tell you about a couple of case studies of associations I worked with. One is a national insurance association that cut routine email time drafting by 62%. Now that's drafting, that's not automating and personalizing outreach. So it was able to segment members. Again, we integrated this into their CRM system. We used Microsoft tools, and Microsoft tools integrated, they were already using Microsoft tools and integrate well into their CRM. And we're able to see who were members who were disengaged, who were engaged, who were in various demographics. AI was able to automatically find some correlations, which was great, and was able to customize some emails, but the final emails were definitely reviewed and sent by staff. We did not have automatic email outreach. So all the segments that we created, that we had that review by staff, and we had some automatic drafting for staff for, okay, member renewal time, let's customize an email to this member a couple of weeks before they need to renew with everything that they intended recently and how great it was and why they should renew. And then the draft popped into the staff's email inbox, and the staff member reviewed it, tweaked it as needed, and then sent it. Like, that's what works. That is the kind of thing you need to do. That saves staff time and enables them to be not only more efficient, meaning use less resources to do the same amount of work, but more effective. Because previously, honestly, it was just an automated email. It wasn't customized. The staff didn't take the time to do it. But now it's very easy. They just read the draft and they send it. And you get a much higher renewal rate, believe me. And so this is a pragmatic roadmap, an example of a pragmatic approach to begin with low-risk, high-reward use cases like email drafting automation, where the staff review the final email. You need to pilot things, test them out, and adapt AI implementation to your needs. Also, consider getting volunteers involved. I talked about staff members, but we also got volunteers involved in that and other projects where volunteers were able to use these tools effectively. Ensure clean, connected data across your association management systems and your CRMs, and set clear AI usage policies to manage risk and build trust. That's how you'll be seen as a credible thought leader in your profession in AI usage, and you'll be both more efficient and more effective. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Association Future Forward Association podcast. Please make sure to subscribe wherever you checked out the show and leave a review. It helps others discover the show and helps us improve the show. And if you have any questions, email me at gleb, Gleb, @disasteravoidanceexperts.com.